Hi guys, can you actually find the value of x in this exponential problem on the board? This is clearly Maths Olympiad problem. Let's provide the solution. Yeah, when we have this type of problem, our goal is to find x, right? But if you look at 5 is the base and this is 75, the two cannot be expressed in common base. So what do? We have to take the logarithm of both sides, okay? So if you take the log of 5 power x plus 1, and that's equals to the log of 75. Okay? The reason why we took this log is from the laws of logarithm. The logarithm allows us to multiply the exponent to the power. Okay? So if you do the multiplication, you have it that x plus 1, which is the power, into log 5 is equal to log 75. Okay? So if you look at this, we have to open up the bracket. So log 5 will times x, so we'll have it as x log 5. Then log 5 will also times 1, so we'll have it as just log 5. And that's equals to log 75. Okay? So at this point, you see that we can actually do what? Subtract log 5 from both sides. So we'll have it that x log 5 is equals to log 75 minus log 5. Okay? So if you have this now, this is very simple. You can now see that in laws of logarithm that when you are subtracting logarithm in a common base, you can keep the base the same and divide the numbers in the log. So you have it as x log 5 is equals to log 75 over 5. Okay? So 75 divided by 5 is 15. So you have it that x log 5 is equals to log 15. So the next thing we do is divide through by log 5 and divide through by log 5. If you divide through by log 5 is actually out. So you see that this is equals to 15. We can write 15 as 5 times 3. So we can have it as log 5 times 3, okay? Divided by log 5. So if you have this now, we see that x is equals to, since we are multiplying in the same base, we can split them in common logarithm. So we have it as log 5 plus log 3 divided by log 5. Okay? If you have this now, it's very clear to know that x is equals to, we split the fraction. So we have it as log 5 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. Okay? So if you have this now, it's very simple to see that log 5 divides to get 1. So x is equals to 1 plus, you look at log 3 over log 5. You can see that they are of the same base. We use change of base. So we have it as log of base 5 of 3. And this is the only value for x. Please like, comment, and share. Do you have any other method or efficient method to solve this? Let's know that in the comments. See you next.